So I'm currently sat outside Plumbase Warwick, waiting in anticipation for the new sink top to be delivered, the new basin top for this job where we're doing the little cloakroom, where it was the wrong hand and then it was broken, as you'll have seen in the last video. So I'm currently sat here in the van waiting for it to be dropped off. It's currently 11:15 on Wednesday mid-morning. I've been told by Dave that it's going to be dropped out by 12 o'clock. I've told the customer I'll be over at some point after 12 o'clock to fit a worktop basin that is in one piece, hopefully. So massive touch wood that it turns up soon, because I really need to get this finished off now. Dave Bishop, the chippy's been in and put the paneling on for the side of it and the plinth, etc. Nick's done the electrics, plastering's done, they've decorated it. All we're waiting on is the worktop to go on, and then Nath, my tiler, can get in and put the tiles on the back, just a little splashback along the top. So yeah, hopefully it'll turn up very soon. So I just had to shoot off and sort another job out while I was waiting for this basin unit to arrive. Just had a phone call from JJ and from Dave, the manager at Plumbase, that it has arrived. It is here on the floor, strapped to a pallet, all gaffer taped up, all cling filmed up. Now I've said to JJ don't want to open it, do you?
No,
he's not touching it. Dave isn't here to open it, and I've said to him, right, tomorrow I want it picking up, putting in the van, in the Plumbase van here, bringing to the job so that we can open it up in front of the customer, and hopefully it's all right. Hopefully it's not bust. It can't be. It cannot be another one with a problem. It seems packaged up all right. The other one had tape all over it, so it was a little bit iffy. This one's all right. Is it right hand side? It should be, oh, don't say. All right, because the first one was an issue because it was the left hand basin. It should be a right hand, JJ. Where will it say it? Under here? You don't want to touch it.
That's on the end there.
Does it say right?
You're right.
Right, yeah, we've got it here. So it is a right hand basin. So we're on a win already. So what we can do is fast forward now to tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock at the customer's house. We're going to be opening up that and making sure it's in one piece. So then, Thursday morning. I've even lost count what day it is or where we're at the minute with Basin Gate. So back at the customer's house, and Dave King has bought out the replacement. It's here. No one wants to open it, genuinely. I rung you yesterday. Have you checked it, Dave? Don't want to open it. He said to me, swing round Plumbase, you open it. Well, I don't want to open it. So no one wants to open it. Dave sort of checked it, haven't you?
Yeah. I couldn't sleep last night. I had to go back to work to check it. That's what.
Right, okay. Let's get, sun's in my eyes, let's get set up over here. We'll carry it over and we'll get the covers off it and see exactly what's going on. I've got the bench out ready to get it cut off, because we've got to cut sort of 60mm or so off the end of it. But right, we'll get set up, we'll get it out, we'll unpack it and see if it's in one piece. No pressure. Hang on, let me move that down.
I'm not even doing anything.
Pop it on here.
It's right hand. There's right hand on the box.
Right, is it? Right.
Morning. Morning.
Simon, Dave, Simon, Dorothy.
How are you?
Good.
Hi.
Oh, we've met you now. Oh, yeah, you opened it.
He had it delivered yesterday to Plumbase. I think I said, he rung me and said, do you want to go and check it? I went, I don't want to check it. He went home and ended up going back to open the box to make sure it's all right.
Well, it
seems all right this way. It's the right hand. So it's the right hand.
Yeah.
We're not missing anything off here.
no.
We've got to cut off a little bit there. think you might have cracked it, Dave.
Well, don't say
Oh,
that.
don't say cracking.
Don't say anything. And I've got this for you. Just a little apology.
Oh,
Just a little apology.
bless him.
Oh,
No.
thank you.
Where's mine, Dave?
You've got.
Oh, that's
No.
Oh, that's a
fine.
No,
nice
it's just a
gesture.
little, no, it's all right. It's just a
Thanks.
little apology. Look, these things happen, but
Thank you.
it's a service.
It's all, it's all about how you deal with it, isn't it?
I can bring you some CT1.
What's that?
Stick. It's like it's what we use
like
to stick
an
stuff together.
adhesive,
Free stick.
Yeah.
So
There you go.
Give it to him for Christmas. He'll be
No.
alright. He'll be happy.
Oh, thank you.
No, it's
But
all right.
like I said to you, and I've said today, that's why I build a rapport with Dave over the years. He has all my work, and it's how you treat customers.
Yeah.
It's all about keeping them informed. Like yesterday when I come round, I went, I want to tell you, and I want to get him on the phone.
But I was in Gloucester yesterday, and I had to go back just to have a look at the basin because I wouldn't have been able to sleep last night. I wouldn't have.
Would you not?
No.
But it does
I've
things
got a
like
few
that.
basins
Just get
to go back.
things like that. Just get to you, don't they?
Yeah.
I have it.
I bet you've never really had this problem.
So
And
that is the fourth. The first one was obviously the wrong hand.
Yeah,
The second one was snapped in half.
Yeah.
The third one there.
and
Yeah.
now fourth
Is this on
one.
camera?
Yeah.
Oh, Christ.
So but like Simon said, the left hand, the very first one to come out,
Yeah.
that was fine. It was just the wrong hand.
But we've got there.
We got there.
We have.
Perfect.
We've got chocolates and
Choc-
food.
There you go.
That's it.
Oh,
We'll go and have a
it.
drink and eat. Then,
Yeah,
so
perfect.
we'll-
Right.
On in the morning,
Thank you.
no, it's all right.
thanks.
Lift that off there, Dave.
I'm not touching anything.
Okay.
Perfect. Cheers, mate. Oh, that's a nice little gesture.
Look, I just thought, that's why, I just thought it'd be nice just to give him some. I'm off. I'm like Santa. I always like to deliver. No.
No,
Do
cheers,
you know
mate.
what? I just thought chocolate fizz. Just something for
Oh, that's fine,
just to
mate.
say. It's done. Today will be your last day.
Hopefully.
It's not bad for 4 weeks.
4 weeks, 4 tops. No. Cheers, mate. I appreciate that.
Sorry, you're sorted, so I can go back now.
We're sorted, I think. Well done, Dave. Shout out. This is why.
Right, no,
Look
if he
after
gets
him.
this wrong.
Don't. Get in your van and fucking go.
Right, see you later.
So you've seen it. You've seen the unboxing, and I'm about to say it's basically turned into an unboxing video. We've got the worktop. We've got it. We're finally there. But what we've got to do now is trim off the end here. So I've worked out exactly what we need. I've test fitted a little bit of timber in there to make sure it's all right. So we'll get a line down there, and then with this, because it's resin, we're going to cut it with a porcelain bit in the angle grinder, get that off and go and get it bedded in. So wish me luck with cutting that off. So we switch this out. I've got a ceramic blade for the disc cutter that I've used to cut toilets before, worktops. So let's get that in. Go and get my safety goggles on, and we'll get the edge of this cut off. Hopefully, goes to plan. So what I'm going to do is just try cutting a little bit at the end here, just to see what it's like. Goggles, if you get the goggles. Measure twice, cut once. Let's try a little bit. Right, am I happy with how that is cutting? So we're going to go through there really slowly, take my time, and just get this last sort of 60mm cut off this worktop. we go. We cut off the 60 odd mil off the end. So now I'm just going to make the tap in. We'll take it inside, take the cellophane off, clean it all up, take it inside, get the tap in, get the waste in, set it down into position, and then it's in, it's done. We got there in the end. So there we go. It is in position. I haven't connected the waste or the tap up yet, but I just made the waste in, made the tap in, got it sat into position, bedded it in. We've got a silicone around the side, we're going to tile down the back, but for now, the massive relief is that that is finally in. So let's get the tap connected up, get the waste connected up, give it a test, seal it in, and then we're ready for tiling. Everything is finally done in this downstairs cloakroom. Spin the camera around and show you, because it's been a little bit testing at times, but it's in. So, as you can see, it's fairly straightforward. It's a straightforward install, but because of the issues we had with the worktop, it's just really sort of dragged along and began to become a bit of a pain. However, it's all up and running now. Got the basin on, customers were over the moon with it, really happy. She wanted one with the basin set into the worktop like that. So again, in the design stage, trying to find one that we could cut down and make work was a bit of a pain. It's a little bit of damp on the floor because, if you remember rightly, I left the pan in but didn't bolt it down because of the floorers coming out. They're not coming out for a while, so I took the pan out, and as we know, when a pan's been fitted in, when you move it, sometimes a little bit of water flaps around. So we sorted that, put the pan in, bolted it down so they can use it. Nathan, my tiler's coming to do the splashback down the back, so I'm not going to silicone in around the edges just yet. I'm going to wait till he's tiled that, and then we can seal that in. Again, round the toilet, because that's going to come out for the floor to go in, we'll seal it in at the end. Rad's on. I am going to advise them, because they've got this door handle here, and I just don't want the rad getting damaged. What I might do for now is just pop a couple of long screws in the floor there, or tell them to get a door stop, just because I'm wary of that. I might put some lagging on that just to cover it up. But yeah, finally all done, dusted. Customers over the moon. That is the main thing. Another one ticked off the list. This was my last sort of little job to get in before Christmas. Now we're going to drop on that extension, that house renovation job, to see us into Christmas. Unless we get some other little jobs coming, which 9 times out of 10 we will do. We know what it's like, silly season.